All right. Good morning, North Iowa. It's time. Our winter weather is approaching, and it's time that I put out my update for you. There's really two parts to this. We have tonight, Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then we have Friday night into Saturday slash Sunday. Each of these storms is a little bit different coming in. Tonight we're pretty solid. I would say we're pretty good. The only thing that's fluctuating is snow totals. Um, Friday, Saturday is still a hot mess, and I'm leery or hesitant to make any kind of prediction on that. But I will show you what the models are showing. So let's just dig into it right away and take a look at what we got going on. So we are using the North American Storm Prediction Model for this one. The high res is a very good one as well, but the high res is only going out until about 9 o'clock tonight, so it's missing most of the storm. But the comparisons between the two are pretty good. So we're sitting at about midnight. Midnight. Here's 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3, 4, 5. Here's 6 a.m., 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're at noon today. We're going to still see some rain. And then when we get to 6 p.m. tonight, you can start to see that the snow is going to start coming in for us about 6 p.m. tonight into tomorrow morning. The big one, though, is not necessarily the blue areas. It's how close these black lines are together. The closer those lines are together, the higher the wind is going to be. And we're looking at 30-mile-per-hour winds with gusts into the 40s with the lines as close as they are right here. So the wind is going to play a larger part to this, being that anything that comes down is going to be very cold, very dry, and it's going to blow very hard. That's going to be the big one. Let's keep stepping through. So this is 6 p.m. tonight. We run to midnight, and it looks like the storm is about gone for us for snow. If we kick over to snow totals, you're looking at 0.3 inches of snow for the whole thing. That to me is high. I think it's going to be a little lower than that. But this is the latest model runs, and they're sitting on about 0.3 inches for our area. So the snow total is not such a big deal here. Now I am going to kick over to the a much longer range to show you Friday into Saturday. You can see that this model also pick up the heavy winds and the snow being out of our area over there. But as we start going through and rolling through, we can see our next storm comes in at about 3 p.m. on Friday afternoon, and it's going to hang around until midnight with a little bit of a kick up again on Saturday about noon, and rolling through and out of here by about midnight Sunday morning. So you can see it's kind of rolling through quite a bit. When we take a look at the snow totals on this one, this is where we have to be very, very careful. It's showing 8.4 inches. No way it's going to be that big. I mean, it could, but it is far enough out yet that the predictability of this is completely off base. Please remember, on a snowstorm, normally we can't predict the amount of snow we're going to get until the snow is starting to fall. So looking at these, you got to be very careful. And know that something's coming. That's the big one. If you're traveling on Saturday and Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, please be aware that you could have something. That's the whole thing I'm putting out about this one. I'd like to shy away from that one and stay on tonight. Tonight we can expect high winds with flurries coming through in the morning. Roads could be slick, and there'll be a little snow cover here and there, but be careful with the winds and driving around tonight. So anyway, you all have a happy Thanksgiving break. Take care of each other out there, and we'll see you on Monday.